Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing and partial review of this solar charger panel from Big Blue. I had one from Anker and I felt like I needed another one. So this was highly recommended and lots of great reviews. Comes packed in a little plastic pouch. And there we go. 28 watts solar charger. Very strong Velcro flap here. Obviously place it in direct sunlight. The angle always makes a difference. It has the following outputs. One USB-A, that's the regular size you would plug into a wall adapter, and two USB-Cs that would go to, I assume another USB-C on the other end. Output 5 volts, total 4.8. Okay, so these are at 3 amps each. All right. Very nice solar panels. There's a loop here for hanging on something. There's also eyelets in that area and also here. 4 panels. And inside, I'm going to fold this back up. Sorry. Little on the heavy side here. I'm going to fold this back up for ease of use and open up this pouch. Comes with 4 carabiners for putting in those eyelets and connecting it, say, to the back of your backpack if you're wanting to carry it on your backpack while you hike and charge up devices at the same time. Has one USB-C to USB-C cord. Take that out. So yeah, USB-C to USB-C. One instruction manual. And this, shows how it should be. You really want the sun to hit the panel at a 90-degree angle if you can. But even if it isn't, like I had it laying on top of my greenhouse garden enclosure, and it was probably like a 30-degree angle, and I was still getting voltage from it. Inside the pouch, there's a silica gel. Inside the pouch, you have the connectors, and they're labeled. There's an LED on the side here that I assume lets you know if it's charging or has enough sunlight. USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. Sorry about the sunlight. There we go. All right, so we're going to try this out. There was a plastic cover over the ports. Little neoprene cover. There's the ports. Okay. We'll try this out and let you see how it goes. So we're outside now, and you can see better the ports and the LED. I'm going to open this up so the solar panels are getting some sunlight. And I don't know if you can tell, but yes, the LED is now lit, showing a blue light. I'm going to plug in the phone here that I'm using to record this with. And the light is still blue. And I am getting a charge indicator on my phone now. So yeah, there we go. Very easy. No moving parts, unless you want to consider the electrons moving through the wires as moving parts. I like that it has multiple ways to connect it to something, so it sits in the sunlight better. You've got the eyelets with the carabiners that came with it, and you've got this little cloth strap to hang it on a hook if need be. So yeah, it's going to come in very handy. Very good if you ever lose power also and you need to keep your phones charged. You may have a battery bank, but what happens if that battery bank has gone out of power? Say if you've been out of power for a week. Well, this is a great thing to just fold up and put away for those times when you need it. I got this off of Amazon, and the link will be provided below.